Hello everyone, I'm Anita Bryant of Anita Bryant TV. I'm going to be doing this broadcast mainly for my team. Whenever you guys send anyone to this video, make sure that you also have your link. I'm not going to drop my link down in this video, but if you just so happen to find this video and you were not invited to this video, you can request my link by sending an email to Coach Anita Bryant at gmail.com. That is Coach Anita Bryant at gmail.com. Now, if you were invited to this particular broadcast, please get with the person who invited you, grab their link, download Robinhood, and have them to request to have you added to my Facebook group on Facebook. It's a lot of support and training there. I also give hot picks to the best stock that you may want to invest in. Right now I'm going to go into how Robinhood works. I'm going to break it down for you guys. Now, when you invite your friends to join Robinhood, you can both earn a free stock. So whenever a person goes to your invite link and they click on that link, and they go through the registration process, and it's approval process. Now, once you are approved, then you will get an email alerting you that you are free to claim your free share. You go in and you claim your free share. You can let that earn. You can add money to Robinhood by linking your bank account, or you can just continue to promote and get free shares from more people on your different social networks and your family and friends. Now, they must be 18 years of age, and they must also be a United States citizen. As soon as your friend's application gets approved, Robinhood will credit both of your accounts with a free stock. Now, how does Robinhood choose your free stock? The shares of free stock are chosen randomly from their inventory of settled shares. Because the shares are chosen randomly, you and your friend may not receive the same stock. So you could receive a stock from GE, you could receive a stock from Facebook, you could receive a stock from Apple. I've won stock from Apple before. I've been rewarded with a stock from Apple for sharing the Robinhood link and inviting people. You can also get Sprint. It's all different types of stock that you can get. But you must know that the value of the share may be anywhere between $2.50 and $200. And the price fluctuates based on market movements. So it's the price is not controlled. It's all based on market movements. Which Robinhood chooses from the most popular companies on Robinhood based on the total value and the price of each share. Now, keep in mind that Robinhood can't credit your account for invites you sent before you began participating in the program, and you can't open a second account to get a free stock. So I'm going to break that down for you guys. What that means is the only way that you can get a free stock is from someone inviting you who is giving away free shares. So, like, if I have an account and I'm not authorized to receive free shares or give away free shares, then I can't. It's not going to happen if you sign up under my link. If you go to Play Store and you sign up, say you see somebody with the link and you particularly don't like them, you know that happens. And that person goes to Play Store and says, well, I don't want to join under him. I don't want to join under her. I'm just going to go to Play Store. You will not get a free app that's not considered being referred to Robinhood. You have to be invited by someone who is giving away free shares to earn your free share. So if you have any personal issues with anybody, or you see something on their page or something, or whatever, get your money first, honey. Get out your feelings and get your money. Okay, now, how many free stocks can you win? You can win up to $500 in free stock from Robinhood. You can check the price of each you get in your history in the tab section of your in the history section of your back office. If your total value of free stocks is approaching $500, you'll stop receiving free stock once the lowest price stock in your inventory will bring you over the 500 limit. For example, if you have $497 in free stocks and the lowest price stock in in the Robinhood inventory is $3.75, you won't be able to receive more free stock. So if you're at $497 and you get a stock that is $3, you can get that stock. If that stock is 301, you can't get it. If it's 310, you can't get it. If it's 375, like it says here, you can't get it. It has to be right at 3 or under $3 in order for you to meet that $500 limit. You won't be able to receive more free stock after that. However, your friends will still receive a free stock if they sign up with your invite link. So you can still refer people, but after you hit that $500 link, that's it. You won't get any more free stock, but whoever you sign up will still get free stock. As far as the taxes, somebody's going to ask about the taxes. The cash value of the free stock at the time you received it may be reported as other income on a 1099 miscellaneous form. Any gains or losses on the sale of the stock are reported as capital gains or losses. You can check the cost basis of each stock you get on your history page. For example, you win a $10 stock and later sell it for $15. So you win a $10 stock and it appreciates over time up to $15. The $10 stock gift will be reported as other income. The $5 gain will be reported as capital gains. Now, the cash value of the stock bonus may not be withdrawn for 30 days after the bonus is claimed. So, to be on the safe side, if you have like a deadline and you need your money, go ahead and sell at least 30 days before the time that you need your money so that you can pull it out on time. Now, that's the best way I can put it, because I've seen this written a couple of ways. Now, here it says the cash value of the stock bonus may not be withdrawn for 30 days after the bonus is claimed, but then again, I also heard after you sell it, and it's 30 days. They have to sit in the account 30 days after you sell any bonus stocks, no matter how long you've held them inside of Robinhood. So just to be on the safe side, you never know until you get ready to withdraw how it really goes, because I've heard two different stories. So what's the best thing for you to do is to not wait till the last minute if you need the money now. But me, I'm a long-term investor. I can keep mine in there a year, 2 years, 3 years, as long as I'm getting that profit. This is going to conclude my video. I've given you a basic rule on the qualifications to become a member of Robinhood. You have to have ID. You have to be at least 18 years old, and you have to be a United States citizen. Now, they don't always ask for your ID, but just in case they do, just in case there's some kind of glitch or there's something about your name that doesn't match the records that they pull, go ahead and have your ID so you can go ahead and get that straightened out. And if you can't log into your account, I've had people talk to me about logging into their accounts. Listen, keep your login info. If you can't log into your account, remember the main email that you use so that you can do a password reset. It's not very hard to do, guys. All you got to do is, this is a serious account. This is just as serious as a bank account. Okay? I'll do another video on how Robinhood makes its money tomorrow. but I just want to give a basic video on how Robinhood works. Guys, get on my team. We are doing amazing things before 2018. Join us. 6 months from now, you'll wish you had joined. 6 months to a year from now, imagine where your finances will be. I don't just give you advice on stock. I give you advice on how to eliminate your debt, how to raise your credit score. I am all about financial abundance, any type of financial literacy that I can help you with. It may require you contacting me on a one-on-one basis. If you feel free talking to me, I guarantee you I can help you, because I have went through some things myself, and the same principles that I use to increase my cash flow, I don't mind sharing them with others. And I guarantee you, I don't worry about a bill getting paid. I sleep good at night. Anyway, having said that, God bless you all. I wish you much love, peace, and success. Let's make 2018 the best year ever. God bless you. Until next time, I'll talk to you really soon. Like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification tab so you can be alerted every time I upload a new video. God bless y'all. Good night.